First, here to sing the national anthem of the Philippines, please welcome Martin Nievera.
Bayang magiliw, elas ng silangan, alaw ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, tulad ka ng magiging sa manglulupig. Di ka pasisingin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilaw ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya't kailan ang may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Ang bigaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay na dahil sa'yo.
Well, it's going to be very hard for me to apologize for something that I am not sorry for. I did not ask to do the anthem. Manny Pacquiao himself asked me to sing the national anthem. It was my honor to be blessed with this awesome responsibility, and I have no one to apologize to, because when Manny asked me to sing the song, obviously he wants me to sing it the way I would sing it. I didn't change any of the notes. I didn't make it R&B.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing. Here to sing the national anthem of the Philippines, please welcome Filipino recording star, Kyla.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
In the Philippines na bawal mong ibahin ang lupang hinirang. And actually, according to Republic Act 8491, it specifies that lupang hinirang shall be in accordance with the musical arrangement and composition of Julian Felipe. So bawal talagang ibahin yung tono. So tama yung ginawa mo, Kyla, and we're so proud of you.
Thank you. Actually, sabi ko nga, I wasn't singing as Kyla, I was singing as the Filipino nation, as in, yung I was representing tayong lahat na Filipino. So, hindi ko naman naisip na going diva moment yun.
Yes,
so,
and you represented as well also. Kasi nakita yan sa buong mundo, Kyla, and congratulations.